Where's my finger? That one here will also be removed. So see, these are clay panel or plates they are using here in Europe. So they need to remove it one by one and put a new. So as what I researched, these new plates that will be put in roof will be good for around 30 to 50 years. Hopefully, they will do what is, I mean, yeah, they will put it very well so that it will really last for a long time. So according to them, it will take like 1 to 2 weeks to finish all of this activity one by one. It's not really easy, but yeah, we need to do it because with a leaking roof, it's really difficult, especially going to the winter. So cold with snow or even raining, yeah, it will really leak and it will go into the entire house. So that's it. Um, let's go back to me. So guys, focus. So I hope you will follow me in our updates in our house renovation here in Belgium. We still needs to do so many renovation and it costs a lot of money. So yeah, that is the reality here. It's not easy, it's expensive, and you need to really save a lot of money and yeah, work really hard in order to have a better standard home. So for those who wants to know more about house renovation, the cost, you can always leave a comment below, and also